When you look at the trophies, the Norman Brookes as an example, the skill sets that are required to put that level of detail into a trophy in this day and age are few and far between. We actually class the skills that we engage here and employ here at WJ Sanders as endangered.
Norman Brookes takes me approximately 400 hours to do. Never really feels finished. I feel like I can always find something to improve.
We're perfectionists at WJ Sanders. So we put a lot of our time and our effort and our pride into the work that we do.
So I made the Daphne Akhurst trophy this year for the first time. I think there's 250 hours of manufacturing work involved. It's a privilege to be part of a legacy that's almost 100 years old. It's a very elegant trophy, simple in its form, which kind of leaves you nowhere to hide.
The Norman Brookes, the Daphne Akhurst, the men's doubles, the women's doubles and the mixed doubles are made from 100% Australian silver, and that's an incredible thing in this day and age. The metal that's used to make these trophies comes from an Australian mine. It's prepared and fabricated in an Australian company, and then it's made by artisans here in Marrickville.
Making the Australian Open trophies is an honour. I mean, not many people, especially in Australia, get to work on anything quite like them.
The trophies are about to leave WJ Sanders after 12 months of hard working preparing these trophies. There's a whole myriad of other trophies that we make for the Australian Open as well, in excess of 120 trophies in total. So we love to see it leaving us, but we also hate to see it leaving us because it's part of the family.